You can play with your number's 25 cents. So you have from 25 cents up to $1
Right.
to be in that window to try to win this bid, and you look at your competition and you wonder what are they gonna bid, what are they bidding, and if you're a smart enough contractor that at the beginning of the season you've already had your competition do a handful of dummy bids for you, so you know exactly like where their pricing is,
Yeah.
and you know where those are going to come in. And if you have a customer that's looking at you know $175,000 to $210,000, let's say, of crack filling for this 250,000 linear feet, and then you come in at like 70,000 bucks, the first thing they're going to say is, "Why are you so low?"
Yeah,
And then
you did
you,
it wrong. Yeah.
yeah, I don't think that did you come out and look at this? I think you need to come look at it. I was there, I saw it.